Today we have got a very special guest at our studio. Rather ये उन्हीं का स्टूडियो है. Please welcome Mr. Siddharth Chiraire, or we can call him Mr. 100 kmph, who is the backbone of Team 100 kmph, जो a merchandise brand है, loved by every single motorcycle enthusiast in India. Let's have a word with him. How are you, Siddharth?
I'm doing good, Manish. Thank you very much for having me.
How are you for real?
For real, I'm really good. I'm really good. It's
Yes.
good to see you here.
Yes.
And thank you for doing this for 100 kmph.
अरे anytime. And thank you for taking time for us कि आपने अपने busy schedule में से हमारे लिए थोड़ा समय निकाला कि लोग जान सके आपके बारे में कि what are the faces behind 100 kmph, what is the process, who is the person behind making 100 kmph a national brand.
Okay, 100 kmph started as an idea back in 2012 when I was just passing out of my engineering. तब इंडिया में e-commerce काफ़ी बूम पे था.
So you are an engineering student.
Yes, I'm an engineering student.
क्या बात है.
I completed my engineering 2012. इंडिया में तब 100 kmph आया कहाँ से? So basically जब 2012 की बात है, Amazon जब जस्ट इंडिया में एंटर कर रहा था, कुछ नए ब्रांड्स थे, they were just starting up with their own clothing t-shirt brand. I being a automotive enthusiast from my childhood, मेरे को हमेशा गाड़ियों, बाइक्स, कार्स और मोटरस्पोर्ट्स रिलेटेड टी शर्ट पहनना था. But I could not able to find a single brand selling bikes and cars related t-shirt.
So you are a victim of not having the merchandise for automotive.
And trust me, I kid not, I searched for more than a month on online on all the platforms. There were very few platforms. Amazon था भी नहीं. Amazon just starting up. जब जंगली था Amazon पहले.
Okay.
Flipkart पे ज़्यादा चीज़ें थी नहीं. And there was a brand called Inkfruit जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा जनरिक था. Bikes और cars related उस पे t-shirts नहीं थे. And then the idea clicked. Yeah, there are too many people for me.
There is a gap.
There's a big
in the market.
हाँ, ये gap. To be very honest, there's a gap in the market and all these terms वो
तभी वो इतना मालूम नहीं था.
बस इतना पता था कि भाई मेरे को अगर मुझे पता है कि मुझे ज़रूरत है फॉर दैट मैटर मुझे टी शर्ट अगर मुझे चाहिए और मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ तो मेरे से बहुत सारे लोग हैं ऑलरेडी.
ओके.
बिकॉज तब इंडिया में ऑटोमोटिव बहुत बूम कर रहा था. रॉयल एनफील्ड बहुत सारी बाइक्स लेके आ रहा था. KTM जस्ट KTM was about to introduce 390, 200 बहुत सक्सेस था. R15 ऑलरेडी बहुत सक्सेस था. तो आई न्यू कि बहुत ऑडियंस है. और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ Formula 1 आया था इंडिया में, तो ओवरऑल मोटर स्पोर्ट्स का क्रेज भी
Force India era.
Yes. Then I started working, I guess, in April or March of 2012. I worked for more than one and a half years. In September 2013, we incorporated 100 kmph officially. And February 2014, when we launched 100kmph.com. And so उसके एक महीने पहले हम लोगों ने basically 100 kmph इंट्रोड्यूस किया था इंडिया बाइक वीक में.
Okay.
100 kmph सबसे पहले इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया था with initial 6-7 designs at India Bike Week. और उसके बाद the official presence of 100 kmph, the online store, came to existence in February 2014.
2014.
Yes.
Okay. And which was the very first design made by your team, और जो टी-शर्ट पहले प्रिंट होके बाहर निकला कि yes, this is the design and this is how it's gonna be?
The design was 2 wheels 1 engine 0 limits. We still have a sticker on sale of that design. हम लोग अभी basically we are very soon launching a classic range जहाँ पे हम लोग पुराने सारे के सारे नए designs launch कर रहे हैं.
Two stroke vehicles.
And because I was engineering student, zero design background related to, basically पता ही नहीं था कि design करे कहाँ से. So ये सारे designs हमारे जो बने थे सारे internationally बने थे. So ये पहला design including 100 kmph logo, 100 kmph logo बनाए फिलीपींस में. और
क्या बात है.
Yes. And
okay.
And 2 wheels 1 engine 0 limits was the first design, first concept I worked on for a lot of time. वो बना था इंडोनेशिया में. So there were 3-4 international designers, एक फिलीपींस का, एक इंडोनेशिया का, एक श्रीलंका का और एक I guess स्पेन का. ये 4 लोगों ने पहले 7 डिज़ाइंस बनाए थे.
Even the first design and the logo was not made in India, it was made by somebody.
That's correct. वहाँ पे एक डिज़ाइन, एक वेबसाइट का नाम ये होता था 99 डिज़ाइंस और सम डिज़ाइन समथिंग, फ्रीलांसिंग का करके एक वेबसाइट है.
Okay.
जहाँ पे आप आपका प्रोजेक्ट डालो, वहाँ पे आप डिज़ाइनर्स फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड,
So based on the keywords they will be making the
वो ड्रेस सबमिट करता है, या फिर आप किसी डिज़ाइनर को सिलेक्ट करके उसको प्रोजेक्ट दे सकते हो उसका पास एक्सपीरियंस देख के, एंड दैट डिज़ाइनर चार्जेस यू समथिंग सम आई गेस 8,000 or 10,000 rupees back then for one design I paid.
At that time.
2012, 2013.
And how much will that be in this era?
As of now, to be very honest, we are not paying that much for a design until unless
No,
it
but
is
look, like if you're about to make a logo of 100 kmph
again
in 2023,
so I know,
like you are just passed out in 2022 and you are making a design of your logo.
okay, if I have to count that money in current
In the
scenario, it
inflation,
would be
yeah.
around 15,000-16,000, possibly 20,000 rupees
क्या बात है?
of the current money that we have paid, because तब understanding नहीं थी क्या करना. Then I learned Photoshop myself, क्योंकि मेरे को डिज़ाइनिंग तो नहीं आता था, but I know कि जो फ्लायर्स जा रहे ईमेल्स पे, या फिर जो इंस्टाग्राम तभी हम लोग थे नहीं, फेसबुक पे थे हम लोग, तो फेसबुक पे जो भी चीज़ें जानी थी वो सारा का सारा चीज़ आई यूज्ड टू डू इट ऑन फोटोशॉप.
And which was the very first order जो कहाँ से आया था?
So we launched a store. So I know 100 के पे स्टार्ट हुआ, मेरे से मैंने स्टार्ट नहीं किया. पल्लव सक्सेना, my partner, my roommate from engineering
क्या बात है?
college. So 4 साल हम लोग साथ में ही थे, तो हम उससे साथ चालू किया था. तो me and पल्लव हम लोग 2 दिन से सोए नहीं थे back to back. I was working in Ubisoft.
So the thoughts were going in and out of your mind
There
at
were too
a
many
speed
things.
of 100 kmph.
Yes, there were too many things happening. क्योंकि वेबसाइट इसके पहले 1 हफ्ता या 10 दिन पहले ही लॉन्च होना था, but बहुत सारे हर्डल्स आए, कुछ नहीं. So we decided कि नहीं यार, like we ये इसको 24th को लॉन्च करना ही है. So 24th को शाम को 5:30 बजे वेबसाइट लॉन्च हुआ, and lucky enough for us 5:38 को हमको पहला ऑर्डर आया. So people were literally waiting. हाँ, so and we never knew कि ये चीज़ होगा, because we हम लोगों ने वो काफ़ी हाइप बना के रखा था. We went on Facebook as a page, as a company page, as a brand page in November 2013 sorry.
Okay.
And फिर तब से हम लोगों ने ऑडियंस बिल्ड करना चालू किया था. तब
You
फेसबुक
created the hype in the market.
तो मैं बेसिकली फेसबुक पे उसके पहले आप 50 लोगों को टैग कर पाते थे उस टाइम पे.
Yes.
And had my entire Facebook friends list filled with सब बाइकिंग पब्लिक. So I used to tag them like crazy. मतलब दिन में 3 या 4 पोस्ट करने का, सबको टैग करने का. And the best part is Facebook, तब आप जितने लोगों को टैग कर रहे हो, और उन लोगों ने 99% लोग उनके प्रोफाइल विजिबल रखते थे तब.
दिख जाता था
कि सारे उनके लोगों के प्रोफाइल पे जाता था. And that helped us a lot. Absolutely, that helped us a lot. And हम लोगों ने फिर दिसंबर में डोमेन तो खरीद ही लिया था. दिसंबर में हम लोगों ने एक लैंडिंग पेज डाल दिया था. लैंडिंग पेज said a very smart message that something is coming up related to motorcycling and
automotive enthusiast.
Yes, and so we collected email addresses there, and I mean it was a surprising thing that हम लोगों ने वो 2 महीने में from December to February till launch हम लोगों ने 850-900 email addresses collect कर लिए थे. That helped us a lot. We already crossed 1,000 Facebook followers back then. And that's why हम लोगों ने जब वो hype create किया था launch के time पे, it worked. And to my surprise, हम लोगों ने शाम को 5:30 बजे से लेके रात को 12 बजे तक on 24th we have already crossed 10,000 rupees in sale. That was very huge thing for us.
क्या बात है?
For a new brand to start off with, we only had 6 design and 7 design was the logo. Only 7 t-shirt के design पे we have crossed that much. The first customer I remember his name. I don't know, मैं अभी recollect नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. कोल्हापुर से ऑर्डर आया था. And that first customer purchased 3 t-shirts at a time. I still remember.
क्या बात है?
Yes.
मतलब to gain you made मतलब आप वहाँ तक पहुँच गए थे कि you gained the trust.
Yes.
कि यार this is something which I wanted.
Yes.
फिर अच्छा खासा ब्रांड आ गया तो चलो मंगा लो. That was मतलब मेरे ख्याल से कि that might be the thing कि जो पहला buyer है उसके मन में आया होगा. इसलिए उसने he invested his amount into your t-shirts.
Yes.
Okay, cool enough. Another thing is regarding the work culture or the people who are working here. What is the favorite part of your job?
Yeah, my favorite part of the job is coming here regularly and doing my regular stuff. We being a startup, even though we now, of course, it's 9th year now, and we are sizable, a very small team. हम लोग 22 लोग हैं सिर्फ. Favorite part of a job for me is to come here regularly and face the challenges that we face on a daily basis.
उसी में मजा आता है.
That is the right way to do it, if you ask me.
That is how
because I know कि पिछले 9 साल में एक दिन भी रिपीट नहीं हुआ है. Every day there is something
different
happening, something like कुछ डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है, कुछ डिजाइनिंग में हम लोग नई चीज़ कर रहे हैं, कुछ चैलेंजेस आ रहे हैं, बहुत सारे इश्यूज आ रहे हैं. And so resolving those issues, dealing with courier companies, dealing with customers, dealing with we are also big now on B2B side, dealing with clients. So the best part about the job is to be here and just
be consistent in working.
That's correct. So 12-13 घंटा इसमें दिन में इसमें ही चला जाता है.
क्या बात है.
Office में.
So you're working 12 hours a day.
12 घंटे का शिफ्ट होता है यार.
Okay.
By default, हाँ.
Okay, okay. And what is your least favorite part? कि मुझे ये चीज़ बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है.
I don't know यार. There is no as a least favorite part for me, as long as it is related to 100 km pitch. No.
Even it's a problem.
So it's a part of the game. It's not a problem.
It's part of the
Yeah, I mean,
learning process.
Yes. So it's not. It's. I mean, there's not a single thing. अगर मैं सोचूं भी, अगर if I have to think about it, कुछ भी नहीं है. I don't think so.
All right.
I guess of course the least favorite part is I should have my own space now. I mean, and I should have
वो तो
more
होता रहेगा.
better things to sit for my people and better warehouse and. But ठीक है, that वो सब.
100 kmph corporate house. We can call it.
So this is something
Corporate
that
office.
after 8-9 साल के बाद ये basically, and I'm very much sure
अरे
ये होगा, ये
जल्दी
सब
होगा. Absolutely, absolutely. Speaking about the design, आपकी टीम ने ऐसा कौन सा डिज़ाइन बनाया है विच इज़ द बेस्ट इन योर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, आप और उसको आप उसको यू कैन वेयर इट 365 days, which is that t-shirt? Like this is the person speaking about who is making people happy by providing the automotive designs. सुनिए इसकी बात.
So for me every design is a best seller. Every design is something that हम लोग हमेशा ऐसे इस तरीके से काम करते हैं कि जो भी हम लोग डिज़ाइन लॉन्च करें वो इमोशनली टच कर पाए कस्टमर को. बिकॉज बीइंग एन ऑनलाइन स्टोर हम लोग टी शर्ट नहीं बेच रहे यार, आप कपड़ा नहीं चेक कर सकते हो ऑनलाइन. द रीजन यू आर कन्वर्टिंग इज बिकॉज यू आर आपको डिज़ाइन पसंद आ रहा है. वी आर बेसिकली एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वी आर सेलिंग दैट इमोशनल पार्ट टू यू कि यार यस आपको वो टच कर दिया. बट द बेस्ट डिज़ाइन
आपका पर्सनल फेवरेट?
My personal favorite was May the Horsepower be with you.
Okay.
And it is not my personal favorite. It is I guess हमारा जितना भी audience है, I guess सब audience के पास वो T-shirt है.
It is still the fastest moving T-shirt.
It is still the fastest moving T-shirt after 6 years. I mean, we'll introduce May the Horsepower with you in 2015 or 2016. It is still the fastest moving T-shirt.
क्या बात है. So may the horsepower be with you.
And
is his favorite design. It's still fast moving after 9 years of launching as
वो
well.
line इतना
It's too much connected to the people and
very much connected to the
riders.
people, and
That's
that's
why
why
it
everyone can able to relate. So yes, it is one of the best design. It's a very simple design, but yes, it is one of the best line that came out of 100.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So speaking about the consumers who are using the product, roughly how many customers Team 100 kmph have served till date?
Till date, I think we had the data of I guess 20 lakh customers that we have served till date
क्या बात है.
in last 9 years.
Super.
So this data is not only from online, but from the offline events, channels, and
So
lots
we
of
have been to
activities that we do.
yeah.
Through B2B also that we do that. We know that how many what orders that we're getting and where जहाँ पे बिक रहा है सामान. But the registration, the online registration base that we have on
As per the
100
analytics
is
you have
close to
with you.
around 6.5 lakh customers.
Okay, so 6.5 lakh customers and you have
These customers are registered on 100 kmph.
okay. बाहर के जो events के होंगे वो अलग होंगे which are not registered.
Yes, and because I think ये amount और भी ज़्यादा होता because इसके पहले हमारा guest checkout का option था, like a customer can directly do Shopify.
हाँ,
हम लोगों ने
without
Shopify
providing the
2019 में-
data.
That's correct. हम लोग Shopify के पहले Cartrocket के प्लेटफॉर्म पे थे और पहले 5-6 साल हम लोग Cartrocket पे थे. वहाँ पे वो ऑप्शन था, तो बहुत सारा हम लोगों ने कस्टमर का डेटा वो नहीं है. आई एम वेरी मच अगर हम लोग
लेते
को मैंडेट
तो-
करता रहता तो
हाँ.
वी वुड हैव 10-15 लाख का रजिस्टर्ड कस्टमर बेस एज ऑफ नाउ.
Great. Now speaking about the consumers only, there are a lot of people who are complaining about your delivery time.
Yes.
कि यार हमारा ऑर्डर प्लेस हो चुका है, 2
Yes,
हफ्ते हो गए,
yes.
कोई अपडेट नहीं है. What's your take on this? And when people will start getting their orders within no time? कि यार ये तो आप भी ऑर्डर किया था, जल्दी आ गया.
So if you ask me, we are facing this issue post COVID a lot.
Okay.
प्री कोविड इतने इश्यूज नहीं थे बिकॉज पोस्ट कोविड देयर वर फ्यू चैलेंजेस जो हम लोगों ने इसके पहले कभी एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किए थे इन टर्म्स ऑफ डिलीवरी, इन टर्म्स ऑफ manufacturing of.
मतलब you didn't know that कि ये this is coming.
Yes, so basically what have happened is we have shifted to a completely new model of on-demand thing. So हम लोग अभी we always wanted to provide a fresh garment to our customer.
Okay. ऐसा नहीं कि वो टी-शर्ट पड़ा है चलो प्रिंट करके दे
That's
दो.
exactly the problem with that is see t-shirt being a clothing and apparel has a huge shelf life. But then again, we really don't want to do that. First thing, because of the COVID, we were in a very financial situation, and we wanted to make sure that like हमें customers को serve करना है, but
With a good quality product.
with a good quality product, and at the same time I need to make sure कि ना हमारा पैसा customer को serve करने में ज़्यादा जाना चाहिए, ना ही inventory में जाना चाहिए.
Okay.
So I mean, and that's why we
थोड़ा
have
सा डिले हुआ तो भी चलेगा but never compromise on the quality.
absolutely not. And
थोड़ा सा नाखुश
unfortunately-
रहेंगे but quality के बारे में
That's
कभी
correct.
कंप्लेंट नहीं करेंगे.
and unfortunately for us 2020 में जब कोविड लॉकडाउन हुआ उसके 2 हफ्ते पहले we have started our own manufacturing.
Okay.
And that's why उसके पहले हम लोगों ने वेंडर बेस बंद कर दिया था. So we did not had जब कोविड हिट हुआ जब we did not had like ready garment or ready t-shirt available. We had कपड़ा.
Okay.
And because of the COVID situation 2-2.5 महीना उसमें चला गया जिसमें की वजह से and
So right from cutting the panna.
everything. Unfortunately, our warehouse before यहाँ पे था
Somewhere near
कातरस में. And unfortunately हम लोगों ने उसके इसके ऊपर ध्यान नहीं दिया कि उसके बाजू में एक नाला था. There was 1 day or 2 days of heavy rain happened around just after COVID का scenario. And unfortunately, there's more than 10 lakh rupees of worth of fabric got wasted because of वो पानी में चला गया. मैं literally it was 4 feet of water and मेरे सारे इतने 20-20, 10-10 किलो के थान उसके ऊपर तैर रहे थे. I mean, we were submerged completely.
My God.
That set us back big time because then because no हम लोग सबसे पहले एज अ कंपनी हम लोग ने ये डिसाइड किया था कि हम लोग मैन्युफैक्चर करेंगे. वी आर नो लॉन्गर बिकॉज इसके पहले हम लोग जो स्टॉक ले रहे थे कस्टमर या फिर किसी इसके वेंडर से वो कभी कंसिस्टेंसी नहीं थी उसमें. कभी साइज में डिफरेंस आ जाता था, कभी क्वालिटी में डिफरेंस आ जाता था,
कभी फिट में डिफरेंट.
एवरीथिंग. एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी वांटेड टू कंप्लीटली मेक श्योर कि हम लोग जो दे रहे हैं वो कंटिन्यूअसली यूनिवर्सली कंसिस्टेंसी रहे. बट दिस सेट अस बैक बिग टाइम एंड इट इज एंड that's why वो उसके बाद जो delays शुरू हुए and the
You are
most
still
important
recovering
parts-
out of it.
No, we have recovered a lot. There were बीच में बहुत सारे issues वापस fabric की वजह से आए. We introduced jackets, we introduced jerseys, we introduced t-shirts. Unfortunately, a couple of times the fabric that came that was not right and the overall manufacturing process got delayed because of that. So जो order basically we still
pile up होते गए.
Ideally, the order should get dispatched within 2 to 3 working days.
Absolutely.
And should get delivered within 3 to 5 working days. That TAT of normal 7 दिन का होता है. हमारा TAT किसी orders के लिए 1-1 महीने पे चला गया. Because of all these scenarios, जो issues piled up होते गए बीच में, then big time delivery issues happened. I don't know, we were using, मैं नाम नहीं लूँगा उन delivery companies.
A third party platform for
third party courier companies. They कुछ डिलीवरीज इतनी ज़्यादा डिलेज हुई एंड फॉर फ्यू मंथ्स बैक टू बैक हमारा जो RTO रेशो 7-8% पे था विच इज़ वेरी गुड इन ई-कॉमर्स इंडस्ट्री. वो 35
out of 100 orders 7 to 8% are getting returned or cancelled.
वो 35-40% पे चला गया था. So we faced that issue so much and we lost so much money in that. So we learned a lot from it.
Okay.
And now we are just making sure that no matter what we have now just to recover from and to make sure कि ये delays ना हो, तो we have set up a new warehouse. It's not a warehouse but a new setup in Tirupur. Tirupur is the
hub
for cotton or for manufacturing t-shirts. तो हम लोग वहाँ पे ही बना रहे हैं ताकि वहाँ पे efficiency, speed, quality हमेशा maintain रहे.
Okay.
और वो वहीं से हम लोग अभी
Then you guys just have to focus on the logistics part की जल्द से जल्दी निकालना चाहिए वहाँ से और यूज़र के हाथ में आना चाहिए.
Correct. So we have already started work from Tirupur and ये सारे issues, deliveries के issues, the biggest problem, the issue is only with the delivery and nothing else. हमारे पास quality से related complaint literally 100 में से 1 या 2 है. But delivery से related हमेशा 100 में से 15
so there is absolutely no complaint about what. There are very few complaints about the
yes.
quality of t-shirts.
Yes.
But there are a lot of complaints about the delivery. मतलब जिनके पास पहुंचा है they are very satisfied.
Yes.
और वो बाद में कंप्लेंट भी नहीं करेंगे यार कि यार इन्होंने डिले किया बट क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छा दिया.
That's
What goals are you pursuing right now? Where do you see 100K page in next 5 years?
There are lots of goals there, if you ask me. There are a few long-term goals, there are a few short-term goals. The immediate thing that we're working on is a product line for all streetwear riders. हम लोग already उसके ऊपर काम कर रहे हैं. Very soon, I think this month itself we are introducing it.
You just showed me the sample.
Yes.
हम लोग बताएंगे नहीं क्या है,
Yes.
but it is very interesting.
Yes, it's very good and to be very honest, बहुत कस्टमर से इसका डिमांड आया था. So we basically we always do that. हम लोग सिर्फ जेनरिक या फिर जस्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन जो अवेलेबल है उसके ऊपर प्रोडक्ट नहीं लॉन्च करते.
Converting the feedback into feed
Yes,
forward.
we take a lot of feedback from customers और उसके ऊपर काम करते हैं. So yes, this is one. Second thing is the long term goal is we should have a physical presence as well in at least all major cities. So
Superb.
So that is something जो इसके ऊपर हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं. I hope that before this year end at least we should at least have one physical
place.
one place जहाँ पे एक 100 km का physical presence आएगा. That is very important. We being an online store, see, 100 km जब start हुआ था तो we always wanted to have an online presence because that is the right way to do it. That way we can able to reach lots of people. But a physical presence is equally important, and you are the right example of physical presence. That with Destination Moto, I think that physical touch, that physical that because हमें सबसे ज़्यादा इस चीज़ का feel और एक्सपीरियंस मिलता है जब हम लोग राइडरमीनिया इंडिया बाइक वीक जैसे इवेंट्स
पीपल गेट टू मीट यू कि या
दैट्स करेक्ट.
ये टीम है जो सब लोगों को पागल बना रही है उनके डिजाइन से.
and then you get to know and learn and although it's a complete different business, but yes,
but it has to be there.
It has to be there because it gives customer that confidence, a brand that level of and it should club with, ideally if you ask me, it should club with a small cafe, a small garage, and all that stuff, including a store presence.
Okay.
We are working on it. Let's hope that and we'll have our first physical presence before end of this year.
Okay. Now, being a person who is so much addictive to the motorsports industry or the automotive industry in India, which bike do you ride?
I ride Duke 390.
The 2016 model.
2017 model.
Okay, the most aggressive
the first
one.
update. The first update that came.
The most aggressive model.
No, Baba. The second generation basically.
second
not the
generation.
first generation. The
Okay.
second generation. The first update I need to say.
Okay.
So I ride a Duke 390. I still have my Pulsar 220, my first motorcycle.
Yeah.
And that's it. I only have 2 motorcycles. I don't have car. I had a car. I sold it off. And these 2 motorcycles that I have right now.
Who is the one person that admires you the most?
Yeah, I'm really not sure about this. I mean,
कोई तो होगा ना कि यार this person inspires me. This is
I mean,
how it should be.
I get inspired from, or
Yeah.
I get inspired
Inspired by the person.
Yeah, there are lots of people. If you ask me, I'm that kind of person. If you ask, who always finds something or the other in every person. Like I've learned something from you. I've learned something
There is
from
something
you guys.
to learn from everything.
Yes.
Everybody.
So that is something that I that has been the, because यार इसके पहले ना 100 km पेज I say it कि 100 km पेज बना ही एक्सपेरिमेंट करके है, और एक्सपेरिमेंट्स क्यों हुए? बिकॉज आई गेट टू लर्न फ्रॉम पीपल.
Learning from the mistakes and learning
थोड़ा
from the
बहुत
people.
क्यूरियोसिटी था एक चीज़ करने का, और बहुत दूसरे लोग कर रहे थे, तो आई गेट टू लर्न फ्रॉम पीपल. और ये so there's not 1 or 2 people. I think every person I meet is something to gain from and something to learn from.
Super. Wonderful. So as we are coming to an end of this session, my final question to you is, on the basis of immense passion you have about the industry, the automotive industry, what does a motorcycle mean to you?
Freedom, if you ask me. So that is, see, motorcycle, I'll put it in other way. It is not only for motorcycle, it is for motorcycle and car. They are it's exactly the same for me. And I always what matters me at the end of the day is a smile on my face the moment I'm riding my motorcycle and I'm driving my car. That's exactly, and मैं सबसे ज़्यादा खुश होता हूँ जब मैं अपनी बाइक चलाता हूँ, अपने कार चलाता हूँ. हर एक हमें पता होता है कि हम हर एक बंदा या फिर हर एक पर्सन एक चीज़ तो भी अच्छा करता है उसके लाइफ में, हमेशा उसको पता है कि वो हमेशा अच्छा करता है. एंड आई डू दैट। आई नो मेरे को मैं सबसे ज़्यादा खुश होता हूँ, सबसे चीज़ अच्छी करता हूँ वो है मेरा बाइक चलाना और मेरा कार चलाना। देयर इज नो अदर थिंग दैट गिव्स मी मोर हैप्पीनेस देन राइडिंग माई मोटरसाइकिल एंड ड्राइविंग माई कार्स। एब्सोल्युटली नो।
So motorcycle means absolute freedom to you.
Absolutely. True.
Super. So this was Mr. Siddharth Ahire, the owner of 100 kmph. My name is Manish from Destination Moto. We'll see you soon, sir. Thank you for your time. We
Always
had an
my-
amazing time.
My pleasure.
चाय बहुत अच्छी थी and breakfast as well जो आपने पहले दिया वो भी बहुत अच्छा था.
My pleasure.
Signing off, this is Manish from Destination Moto. See you all.